What's up, Boost Junkies? Eddie Rocksteady of Comp Turbo Technology here. Since 2007, Comp Turbo Technology has been manufacturing our own line of high-performance turbochargers with cutting-edge leading technology such as our patented triplex ceramic turbochargers and our line of triplex oilless turbochargers. Alongside that, we've been offering a remanufacturing program where we can resurrect just about any turbocharger provided to us, giving it newfound life and getting you back on the road. We can rebuild and remanufacture just about any turbocharger out there with super fast turnaround times and exceptional warranties. However, now we're pushing it one step further. We are now stocking some of the industry's most popular turbochargers in the automotive, diesel, industrial, and marine realm. All of these turbochargers are remanufactured to OEM specifications and follow the same scrutinous QC standards that we offer for all of our turbochargers, which is why we still offer our industry-leading 18-month unlimited mile warranty. Most turbochargers are in stock and ready to ship now and ready for exchange for your provided core. If you have any questions, give us a ring. Our hours are posted online Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Give us a ring with the part number of the turbocharger you're looking for and we'll let you know whether or not we have it in stock. Chances are we do. Check us out.